Well, I think we can, so that you can travel to Mars roughly every 2 years. So every 26 months, the planets align, and you can travel from Earth to Mars. And we're actually at a planetary alignment moment right now, or in the next few months. And so in roughly 2 years, there will be another planetary alignment. And that's when we intend to send the first Starship rockets to Mars. Yeah. I think we can probably send quite a few in 2 years. And then if those land successfully and we do not increment the crater count in Mars, crater count before and after equals the same, then we can send people in 4 years. Yeah. we will be illegal aliens on Mars, you know. I guess if there's any, you know, if there's any Martians. Maybe they'll make Mars great again. Yeah, you know, Mars did have oceans a long time ago. It seems like, yeah, like when Mars was a lot hotter, it had a lot, what appears to be liquid oceans. And if you warmed Mars up, it would have an ocean on about 40% of the Earth's of Mars's surface. So Mars would have an ocean, I think, almost like a mile deep on 40% of the surface if you just warmed it up. So there's a massive amount of frozen ice on Mars. So yeah, it is kind of make Mars great again. Because you can warm it up and it can be an Earth-like planet. So I think that's actually very important for the long-term, the longevity of consciousness is to be a multi-planet species. It's actually very important. So because there's always some chance that something could happen on Earth that's either, you know, a man-made disaster or a natural disaster, like the meteor that killed the dinosaurs. I mean, there have been many mass extinction events in Earth's history, and there will be mass extinction events. Yeah, there is a de facto mass extinction event of humans. Actually, the birth rate is plummeting. But the probable lifespan of civilization will be much greater if we are a multi-planet species than if we are a single-planet species. We don't want to be one of those lame one-planet civilizations, is what I'm saying. You know? So we want to be a multi-planet civilization. And you know, I'm not talking about like a lot of resources, like, I don't know, 1% of our resources seems like a wise move to be a multi-planet species and kind of just ultimately find out what's going on, like visit other star systems. And I think one day, Mars may actually play a role similar to the role that America has played in saving the world. You know, America saved the world 3 times last century. That was a big deal. World War I, II, and the Cold War. So, very different if not for America saving the day 3 times last century. So, yeah, amen indeed. So I think in the future, Mars, they used to call America the New World, and Mars would be the new world, but actually, you know, planet. So I think one day Mars may save Earth, just as America saved the rest of the world. I think that's a big deal. So, in case that wasn't obvious. So. Well, let's see. We can go right into questions and just sort of have it's always good to have get the discussion going with people. So the lights are very bright in my eyes, so I can't see what's going on. There's 2 big lines. Okay, great. Well, let's see. How should we start? Okay, go ahead.